Hi everyone, we're going to continue our cursive. Today we're going to start with the letter B, which surprisingly is also a loop letter. So get your cursive packet, a pencil, and make sure you're sitting somewhere with a hard surface so that you can be successful. So let's take a look at how we make the letter B in cursive. The nice thing about the B is it starts just like the L, just like the H. So you don't have to learn as much as you think. A lot of it you already know. All right, so just like the letter L, you're going to start at the grass line. Get your imaginary pencil, skywriter, ready. Here we go.
B is a loop letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up to the skyline. Loop back down to the grass line. Make a big belly and make a swinging bridge.
All right, try it again in the air. Shake out your fingers. Here we go.
B is a loop letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up to the skyline. Loop back down to the grass line. Make a big belly and make a swinging bridge.
Okay, now try it on writing it on your leg with your imaginary pencil.
B is a loop letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up to the skyline. Loop back down to the grass line. Make a big belly and make a swinging bridge.
Now try it on your arm.
B is a loop letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up to the skyline. Loop back down to the grass line. Make a big belly and make a swinging bridge.
Okay, so the swinging bridge is new for us. So let me show you on paper what that looks like. And you will still use it to connect. It just won't be like the L, the E, and the H. It's not down on the grass line. You're connecting it on the airplane line, which is hard to get used to for some of us, but you will. And there are many letters in the alphabet in cursive that you will do that with. So let's start at the top here. Make sure your pencil's at the grass line. Again, you're not going to pick up your pencil as you make the letter B. Here we go. Glide up to the skyline just like you're making that letter L. Come back down to the grass line. But this time it's like you make that big belly, almost like a circle there. But the swinging bridge, so I'm still not picking up my pencil, goes about halfway between the plain line and the grass line and comes up. It almost looks like a U, doesn't it? Or half a circle. Okay, so let's try it. Come up from the grass line to the skyline, make your loop, back down to the grass line. I'm gonna make a little belly and then come down about halfway, and that's my swinging bridge. I might only get two in today. Up, down, up, and swinging bridge. Okay, so you might think, okay, what is that gonna look like? Well, if I were gonna write the word back, here's my B, it's gonna connect up in the air, kind of, right? And there's my C, and you'll learn those letters later. But you can see how this does not come down. If you bring it down, it's not gonna look like a B. So be very careful to keep your bridge up high, at least halfway. Even, see this one here, I made it a little higher. I don't like bringing it down too low because then it's tempting to go all the way down and it's hard to read. All right, then you're gonna trace this one, the smaller one, which is more like what you will write. And here, let me make this a little larger for you. Let's see how many we can get in. Here's one. And you wanna leave a little space so you get to see how you're forming your letter. It's interesting how they're all a little different. Like that one I made a little too low. I could go back and fix that. It's okay if you make a mistake. It's cursive, it's new to you. And some of them, I have a bigger space here and so forth. I think I like, which do I like the best? I think this one. I'm going to put a star on that one. Remember, you're going to go all the way across for all three of these. And then also for these three lines. I've gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in that one. Let's see how many I can get in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to squeeze 10 into that one. You might not get to do that because you might have larger letters, and that's okay too. See, just don't do 2 or 3. I know kids, sometimes their hands hurt. Take a little break, do some spider push-ups, but persevere and finish it, and make sure you take a picture and upload it to this assignment so I can see how you're doing. Have a great day, and I'll see you later today.